Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete the Facebook account. For that, you just need to open the Facebook, and on the top right you will see three line icon. Tap on it, and here you will be access to this page where on the top you will see gear like icon near the search icon. Tap on it and tap on see more in account center. And now you need to tap on your personal details and tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion and choose your Facebook, and you need to toggle on delete account by tapping into delete account. And now tap on continue and tap on continue. Here you need to give reason why you want to delete. You can give anyone as per your preference. And now tap on continue. Tap on continue again, and here you can go through this information here. Before you delete, save post in your archive, download your Facebook information, transfer a copy of your information and all. And now you can tap on continue, and you need to enter your password of the Facebook. And after you enter your password, you need to tap on continue, and you can easily delete your Facebook account on simple and easy steps. Thank you.